You ever have those bad ideas that are so bad they're awesome? This thing's been getting just steadily tougher and more better like. It just keeps getting a little more past. So I mean, that wagon was here when I bought the place, out in the back weeds, all busted down and shot full of holes. Which, all that, yeah, it's part of the patina. And since I found it and started using it, patching it up when it broke and doing shit that it was never intended to do, eventually kind of had an upgrader, which, as you can see, it's based off a riding lawnmower. And then it's got all that, I don't even know, shit on it. I mean, it's tough. In the wintertime, I'll load this thing this high with firewood. If you stack it right, you can get over a half of a normal pickup bed load on this little thing. And I mean, you could throw a 318 and transmission in the back of it, and I wouldn't be afraid to go down the road with it. But this whole mower idea happened, and originally, where the hell did it go? Because the only thing for pivots that was holding this on was literally, I banged a hole. No, I just drilled a hole and put them through from the inside and then welded it, which actually held on a lot longer than I thought it was gonna. But the recent upgrade was to put this real thick plate that runs the length of it, and they're that wide, on top of those frame rails. And you can kind of see the outline of them here, and they stop about there, the end of them. I was thinking, take these pieces and this bigger pipe here that's of course jammed in there, but take them, cut my hole, and just basically move them up to where they're on that plate, weld the holy piss out of them, and then at the end of the day, hopefully it would work to where this bar slides through and is what holds it on, which at the end of the day, these nuts will be, I'm going to have them right on the end of this, so only about that much stick out is going to be under a lot of stress. And the thought process behind that is, hopefully I'll just slide that out and drop that thing off if I need it for a little wagon or some shit. But mainly it was just because this is the shit I had laying around out back. So, yeah, I don't know how long it'll stay nice. If I'll just bend the shit out of it and it's never able to come out again. In which case I'll figure something else out. Much more solider, as you can see. Kind of overdid it, but still got to finish putting the mower mount on the damn thing. And then take it out and try to break it more and then fix it better. Piece of shit. So overall, this is nice. I'm chalking this one up to a win. I've got another idea I'm going to show you. It makes moving shit around easier too. Are you smelling what I'm stepping in yet? And as far as the engine, I'd mount the engine up in here somewheres. And then it's a big mower. Put a 22 horse in there. I think we're really onto something now. How about you, Bob? You're just trying to eat bees. So yeah, a little fucking, the Pabst wagon. It's the shit. Figured out another use for it. For stuff.